Hey guys, I copied a fellow creator on YouTube and I got my first viral video, and this video is still doing numbers on my channel. Now look at this. Look at this video that I'm talking about right here. Now what I'm about to show you is practical example, practical truth on how to get your 4,000 watch hour on your channel by just copying. Like, you can get your 4,000 watch hour with just one video on your channel if you are doing the right things on YouTube. If you are strategically posting on YouTube and you're not just posting anything, let me tell you something: nobody is an originator of an idea. Somebody copied from somebody. I know bigger creators like Dan the Creator. He has also copied somebody's thumbnail and somebody's title, but made it his own, and he got more subscribers than the original person. Though me, I got lower views than the original creator, but still I am telling you that this video is still doing numbers on my channel. And as you can see here, right here, this video is still doing numbers. Just 7 days, 3.2k. This is the video, and it's still ranking 1 of 10 on my channel. And we have views. This is the views right here. The views is 3.7k. Now let me share my screen so you see. The views is 3.7k. The watch hour I got from this particular video is 167 watch hour, and still going up. And the views is still going up. That is to show that this video is still getting views. And I don't know, it might even get me my almost 1.5 or 2,000 watch hour in the long run. I don't know, but it's still getting views and it's still getting watch hour. That is the main thing. Now look at the reach of this video. The reach, look at the impression click-through rate, is very good. Out of 10, out of 600 and 63,200 people that YouTube has showed this video to, 4.5% of them has clicked on this video. Now this is how it works. This is the creator that I copied, Prince Asama, and I'm going to be giving a shout out to his channel because he has really helped a small creator. What you need to do as a small YouTuber is, when you are trying to copy, do not copy bigger creators that have 100k, 150k, 1 million subscribers and 1 million views, because anything those people post on their channel is going to get traction, like it's going to get views no matter whatever they post. What you need to check is those creators that are within your niche that has 2,000 to 10,000 subscribers, and check their popular videos. Now, as at when I copied this thumbnail and this title, he had just this popular videos here. That's this one of 5 months ago. That is it. This one that is showing 5 months ago, just copy 1.2k. How I copied on YouTube. When I watched this video, then I now copied this same one. After watching this video right here, that's this video right here.
Now listen to me.
How it was. Okay, let's play this video.
Channel, one thing that has helped me to get my 4,000 watch hours and monetize my YouTube channel is that I've been copying on YouTube. Now, not to brag, in fact, I have a PhD in copying on YouTube.
Now, that is how he said he copied on YouTube. Immediately I watched that video, and this video also did numbers on his channel. Then this is the video I copied. This is the thumbnail I copied. Just copy 4.2k. Look at the arrow going up and the everything. Then this is the title that I copied. Newest way to get 4,000 watch hour only using Google, and this just 3 days. Then what I did was I switched up my own. I went ahead to do that. When you are copying, you don't need to copy word for word, thumbnail for thumbnail. You need to switch it up so that it should look exactly like your creation, because that is your creation. What makes your videos unique is you be able to create your own style and your own uniqueness in your videos. So what I did was to say just 7 days, Google and YouTube, and then I put in the 3.2k, and then I used his title, that is the newest way to get 4,000 watch hour, and you can see the videos is doing numbers on my channel and still doing numbers on my channel. There's a lot of comments, there's a lot of likes, and there's a lot of watch hour. Yes, I'm appreciative of this. And when I also did this again, when I also replicate this same thing, I also got 206 views. That means whatever I also use this same title. So whenever I talk about 4,000 watch hour, it's always doing numbers on my channel, because the first one I did is doing numbers. So What you need to do is to copy those that are not the big creators, those are within the small subscriber counts, and check their popular videos. That is what you need to copy and reciprocate. And sometimes you might even get more views than the original creator. You might get more views, and that is good. You might get less views, but as long as it has given you views on your channel, you have done something great on YouTube. That is how you can be able to get your 4,000 watch hour with just one video, or even two video, or even three videos. That was how he was also able to monetize his channel on YouTube, by copying others, by copying other creators that were doing well, that were also doing something great in their channel, by copying it. That's how Glory C also did it. That is how N with Inika also did it, by copying. When you copy on your channel, when you copy other creators, when you are checking what other creators are doing, and you are hopping on trends, you are hopping on the latest thing that they are doing on their channel, you'll be able to get views. This is just a practical example, and as you can see, I was able to get views on my channel. So you need to do this, and if this is what you want to do, leave it in the comment section, and I'm going to be seeing you in my next video.